Well, we are just moments away from the start of the enticing IPL clash between Rajasthan Royals and Kolkata Knight Riders in Guwahati. The Assam Cricket Association Stadium at Barsapara in Guwahati has turned pink with Rajasthan Royals set to lock horns with the KKR in this home match. All roads seem to lead to Barsapara today as fans started thronging the stadium since afternoon. Fans expressed excitement and hope to witness a scintillating batting display by local boy Riyan Parag, who is leading the Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan Royals currently stands in the 10th position in the IPL points table after their loss against Sunrisers Hyderabad in their previous game. On the other hand, Ajinkya Rahane's KKR is in the 9th position after losing the opening game of the season to Royal Challengers Bangalore. Well, we are now joined by our colleague and senior journalist Navanita Kolita, who will brief us on this. And Navanita, how's the atmosphere in Barsapara among the cricket fans as the highly anticipated match between Rajasthan Royals and KKR is just moments away? Navanita.
Well, it's 7 already and you still see a lot of people. It's a sea of people here in Barsapara Cricket Stadium, as you see, locking horns between, it's a tight fight between Kolkata Knight Riders and Rajasthan Royals, as both the teams have lost their inaugural matches and now they'll be facing each other here in a very sensational high voltage match. See, what happens is like this is the scene here on the streets outside the stadium where people are still trying to get inside the stadium to catch a glimpse of their favorite cricket stars playing up. Of course, Riyan Parag being the favorite as the star kid, as the home gate. Kaun jeetega?
RR.
Jeetega. So yes, a lot of fans for Rajasthan Royals, the home favorite, the home of the Royals, since Rajasthan Royals is being led by Riyan Parag. This time 3 of the matches are being put in under the captaincy of Riyan Parag, and everybody has a huge expectancy on Riyan Parag. We still see people outside the stadium and they're getting inside the gates as the match starts at 7:30. We see a lot of supporters of KKR. Kaun jeetega? कौन जीतेगा?
KKR हम लोग KKR का फैन हैं। नाइट राइडर जीतेगा।
कितने रन में जीतेगा?
250 करेगा।
अच्छा और
ऑलरेडी KKR का टी शर्ट पहने हैं, तो KKR का सपोर्ट करेंगे ना, तो
जीतेगा। 50 मारेगा।
अच्छा, आंड्रे रसल मारेगा।
कोई भी मारेगा, मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन जीतेगा KKR ही।
But amid all this, there are a lot of supporters of Kolkata Knight.
आदिल हुसैन ऐसे আমার হতে আছে আদিল হুসেন আছে কেসা महसूस हो रहा है কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে আপোনাৰ
খুব ভাল লাগিছে মই প্ৰথম আহিছো জীৱনত হেৰি চাবৰ কাৰণে IPL চাবৰ কাৰণে নমস্কাৰ কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে তোমালোকৰ ভাল একদম কথা নাই আৰু ভাই আমাৰ হেৰি আছে তাত ৰিয়ান পৰান আছে
और ये होइसे এতিয়া আকর্ষণ এটা ये देखिए खचाखच भरा हुआ होगा ये मैदान और this is the sensation of cricket, you know, just we are just a few minutes after few minutes the match will begin and it's a big match for Riyan Parag, big match for Rajasthan Royals too, because KKR and Rajasthan Royals, both the team has lost their first match and this is the big match for both the teams because it's a situation do or die. You have to open the account with a winning season and this match is, you know, it's attractive. It's kind of one kind of, you know, Navanita has already mentioned that sensation has already started and Riyan Parag, everybody is saying Riyan Parag because Riyan Parag, he is the main person of Rajasthan Royals because he is holding the captaincy. He is holding the captaincy for the first time. वो जब इंडिया टीम में सिलेक्ट हुआ था उसके बाद ये पहला मैच है उसका, वो कैप एज ए कैप प्लेयर, एज ए इंडियन प्लेयर सीनियर टीम का ये उसका पहला मैच है। तो ये जो मैच है भरा हुआ है मैदान, आप देख रहे हैं लंबा यहाँ पर लाइन लगा चुका है। आदिल हुसैन, big celebrity, has entered inside the stadium and the sensation starts is going on.
Absolutely, it's growing manifold. See, what happens is like when you have celebrities thronging the stadium, it grows manifold, and we can still see a long queue over here. As you see, there are supporters both of Rajasthan Royals and of Kolkata Knight Riders also. But of course, everyone wants that Rajasthan should win today. Rajasthan should win from their home ground. The KKR say. So you can just imagine what is the energy in the stadium right now, inside the stadium and outside the stadium also. You feel the same energy as people are wishing for homeboy Riyan Parag to win. Borokhun ahibo niki?
বৰষুণ আহিব নেকি
Ahibo niki?
নাহেতো
নাহে আচ্ছা এবাৰ বৰ্ষাপাৰাত বৰষুণ নহয় ৰাণৰ বৰষুণ নেকি
বৰষুণ আহিব
100% এটা 100% রিয়ান বরখুন ফরার বরখুন
See, people are saying there will be rain. No rain, but rain of sixes and fours. Yes, wishing a great game ahead today.
यहाँ का जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है ये फ्रीक्वेंसी में अभी ज्यादा यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी हो रहा है रियान पराग के बारे में सभी यहाँ पे चिल्ला रहा है सभी चीयर अप कर रहा है रियान पराग फ्रीक्वेंसी इफ यू कैन हियर इफ यू कैन फील इट इट्स अमेजिंग
Absolute magnanimous energy that we feel here. Over to the studio.
Our colleague and senior journalist Nabanita Kolita, who briefed us about the atmosphere at Barsapara Stadium as we are just moments away from the start of the enticing IPL clash between Rajasthan Royals and Kolkata Knight Riders in Guwahati today.
ভলেণ্টিয়াৰ্ছ তেওঁলোকে ইয়াত